Okay, here's a little update on the Divco, the work we've been doing. We finally got the corners welded in. We actually installed this horizontal brace. We didn't like the way the original design was. A lot of the weight of the back of the truck was sitting on this rear body panel, and it just seemed like too much of a stress. So we redesigned this. We put a piece of squared tubing in so it now rests on the actual frame itself. It's all been welded in. Corners have all been welded in. We have a little bit more grinding to do right here to clean it up, and also in here. We've also welded in the front vertical supports that hold the door opening, and we had this piece bent up here. We had to notch it so that it would fit over the frame like the old one. There's the brackets that have just temporarily been put in place. We also did the same thing obviously on the other side, and I removed the floor pan from this area here. This has all been chopped out. This is the old piece right here. So we'll take that piece now and use that as a pattern and bring that to our sheet metal fabricator. And I will also remove this is where the drive shaft runs through, the doghouse. And we have an original one right here that we're going to put in its place. But we'll also take out that floor pan over there, and then all these structures here, these front pieces, we'll take all of that out, have all new pieces bent up for that also. And then we'll start putting the side panels on. We have a little bit more trimming to do up here. We have to figure out how much of the newer panel we're gonna slide under there. So we have to trim some off to make it fit. That's an original left side rear panel, and that'll get installed. Once we do some trimming up here, we're gonna have to cut some of this off because we can't get at this seam. Then we had a sheet metal fabricator up the street, Lyman Sheet Metal. They made a panel for us. I drew up a big pattern off of this original one using the body lines. I brought that over to them. We were able to transfer a mirror image of that. They bent all the flanges, bottom, front edge, and they were able to make this contour right here that goes over the wheel arch. That actually helps to strengthen that. And more critical, the back piece right here that wraps around those new corner pieces that we installed, and there's the bend on it and the lip that'll go on the inside. They did a fantastic job on it, and that'll get welded in over here on this side panel. And again, we also have to do a little bit of calculating to figure out how much of this we're going to take off, because we have to hide the seam up under here. You don't want to be looking at the inside of this and see all kinds of boogered up welds and seams. It won't look nice. We want it to make it look as close to original as we can. So that's where we're at now. We wanted to have these panels on already by this week, but you know, we're buried in work as it is, so this is something that we just pick at. We're also trying to finish up the corner pieces that are going to go up here. We bought that English wheel over there to make those, and we have the horizontal pieces already made up. We've already test fitted them, and this is the actual outer piece that will go up there. This will tie in the roof. Got the contour of the roof already made into it. You won't even see this. This will be on the inside, and it'll start to come together. So that's the progress on the Divco so far. It's slow paced, but slow and steady wins the race, as they say. So we'll keep you posted and bring you more videos and photos. Take care.